How to reset Linksys router to factory settings. You will want to make sure anything that's connected to your router, like your computer, phone, tablet, and security cameras, is powered off and not actively using the network, since it will disappear as the router resets. It's a small reset button that's typically on the back of the router. Straighten a paper clip. You will use this to press the reset button. Press and hold the reset button. The power light should blink while you are holding the button. Newer models should reset after 10 seconds. On older models, however, you may need to hold the reset button for 30 seconds. Wait for the power light to stop blinking. When the power light is solid, the reset is complete. Unplug your router. You will want to power cycle your router after you have reset it to apply the changes. Wait 60 seconds and plug it back in. After you have reset your router to factory settings, you will need to set it up again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.